What's up, guys? Saturday, 1 o'clock. Who day? We're in the playoffs, baby. I did hook up the antenna so we can get it up here. We're watching last night's, what is it?
Winter Nationals at East Bay, Street Stocks.
Yeah. We're checking that out while we're working on the hood here. What do you got going on, man?
Well, the roof is kind of damaged a little bit, and it's all made of fiberglass. And we normally make our rooftops out of aluminum, so it's kind of different for us. And we're gonna try to repair this instead of replace it. Everything's expensive right now. Aluminum's expensive, steel's expensive, all that type of stuff's very expensive. So we're just gonna do some old-fashioned, like backyard boat body work on this thing and patch it up and scuff it up and paint it and see if we can salvage it for at least one more racing season.
Oh yeah, I think we got this.
Just gotta cut out all the bad. That's the plan right now. Cut out all the bad and get ready to patch it up.
Alright, well, we'll probably put you guys on time lapse while we're doing this. Thanks for watching. Put a note in there for me. Well, you can't read. What are you looking at that for? There's no picture.
Stir product, clean the tire repair area, remove paint with an initial 80 grit sand, then feather edge paint with 180 grit. Did you get that?
Check.
What did we use? Yeah, we used good enough. All right. Mix filler 2% by weight, referring to the product mix guide, which is right here.
All right.
And included under the dome lid right here. Press material on the surface, forcing it into imperfections. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, and then sand with 80 to 180 grit sandpaper. Okay, so we don't have much working time once we get rolling here. It's basically that's all I heard. Get it done fast.
Well, that's how we usually do it. Chop, chop.
Doesn't smell great.
I sniff glue all day.
We can do.
Watch your finger.
All right. We need something to stir.
It's the wrong color.
Yeah, I know. That's what we got paint for.
Oh yeah. Beautiful. Uh-oh. Chip dip. Should have got the ruffle. Ooh, that stuff's potent. Oh man, you got a good twirl. What's all that white powder on your belly?
I was eating Frosty Donuts this morning. All right, now 4-inch line for 4-inch filler putty. It says place a desired amount of filler putty in the appropriate puddle outline below. The puddle outline should be covered with a plastic spreader folded in the hardener. But how thick? How thick does one make that? Let's see here.
Oh man, this paper's one and done. That was a good splat.
I mean,
I know, yeah, how thick? I'll
we're gonna add another 1/4 of an ounce.
sprinkle in.
Sprinkle it in.
I would say that's plenty. I wonder if you're only supposed to just like smooth it out. I don't know. Ooh, look at you. Snakey
Uh-oh.
snake.
Now comes the time important stuff here.
Still the wrong color.
You're supposed to fold it in there.
Oh, you should have worked at Cold Stone.
Gonna have to put something on there. Goodness. Uh-oh. There's some on my hands.
Oh no, don't get it on the tool. Oh. Oh. Your wife would be proud of you. You know, you can do Harper's birthday
I can do that.
cake.
All right, literally I've got just a minute or two to get this done here. I guess I'm gonna use this.
Sure, or
the
this one.
applicator.
Either one.
I like that idea. Let's do it.
And they're all gonna look about the same.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Yeah. Oh, it didn't break right.
He's holding not feeling very well. This stuff does not have the filler
Well,
in it like I thought it was supposed to.
major hip holes first.
Yeah. It's tough. Like I said, I got more on the floor over here than I did anywhere else. Look at that.
Well, I just feel like it's
all blood now.
It's kind of like not really what we're
Yeah, I
needing
know.
to some
It was
degree.
not what we were supposed to be getting here.
Well, there's the final patchness.
Looks awful.
Yeah, it's not really the Bondo, or not really Bondo, but the fiberglass that we were wanting. But
It's the fiberglass we could get.
yeah,
So.
is what it is.
Yep.
We'll let this dry. We'll sand it and paint it probably next week or something
Yeah,
like
probably.
that.
Yep. Time to move on.
Yep.
Brake work. Seat work. Very good.
On to the next project.
Drew says we gotta get caught back up here, so he's gonna come on up here. I'm gonna show off some of the brake line work we've been doing. Got the right front brake shutoff solenoid put in. Put in this T-fitting here. We ran some extra lines right here and here to go show them the brake bias gauge that we
Yeah.
put in the cockpit there.
Yeah, I've hurt my stomach doing this, leaning over this thing. It's kind of tucked down in there, but we got her back in. I'm excited. I like that.
Yeah, so other than it taking a week to get a fitting to come across 2 states, it's sitting in my mailbox right now. We're waiting on it, and we'll get the rest of it in, be able to bleed everything out, and figure out our caliper situation. And actually, probably at that point, be able to start putting the front end back together once we get some parts. Everybody's out of parts. There's, everywhere you go, out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. So we're gonna be patient and wait for stuff to come back in and get what we need to get so we can finish up. Try to be ready for spring. Watch the Bengals. Make sure you like, subscribe. Thanks for watching us, and we'll catch you next time.
Hooday!